You are amazed how you are paid for. It's so surprising. Like once there was a lady who came to see me, she was a refugee. And I had a big house, so I said, all right, come and stay with me. So my husband, my brother, they came, they said, what's this? You don't know her, who she is, her husband, whether he's her husband or not. Just given her 2 rooms, it's not good. I said, let it be, doesn't it? I know for nothing is going to happen, let her be here. So they wouldn't also go against me. They said, all right, if you say so. This lady stayed for 10 days and went away. Then she became a very well-known actress in India. I didn't know she was the same lady, but somebody told me that she's the same lady. I said, maybe. Then one day, you see, they wanted to make a film for our Sahaj Yoga. So they said, we can ask this lady to act because she's a good actress. I said, all right, you can go and ask, but don't tell her that I'm here. Otherwise, she will have no choice. I will not go and see her. You just ask her. They went and asked her. They said, will you be actress and all that? She said, I'll try this, that, she was saying. But on the day when they were going to open the film, I went there, she saw me, she was so amazed. She said, oh God, you are the one. You are the one who's sponsoring this. Oh, I'll give my life for her. She just came forward, she said, have anything you like. I have nothing to say. I'm so sorry that you never told me that she's there. 1,000 times more she rewarded. A little thing I did for her. No more cheating, no more troubling. You become a wonderful person. And so many people become your friends in this world. You have to just tell you are coming, there will be 100 people at the airport to receive you. There will be so many friends all over the world for you will be amazed. It's such a tremendous thing happens because now you are all awakened in that primordial being and you have become one with each other. You can feel it. That oneness, that union, that we are all not only human beings, but we are yogis, we are superhuman beings, and we have to look after the whole world. That feeling of compassion is so overwhelming that all little stupid things just fall off. There's no place for that. This actually happens and has happened with many. Dr. Warren, whom you have seen here, can tell you, as I told you, lots of stories, but there are many who are some of them were so hot-tempered, some of them were so quarrelsome, some of them used to fight so much in the beginning that I thought, how are they going to be all right? But today I find them as great friends and very great yogis. So this is the center where your religion is awakened. And what is a religion? Word comes from religo. In Sanskrit it means dharma. Dhara iti sa dharma, the sustenance, your valency is your religion. As every atom, carbon has 4 valencies, and in the same way you have 10 valencies. These are the 10 commandments that were told to you. And you become that. You just become. I don't have to tell you as commandments, but they become your beautiful ornaments within yourself. This happens automatically. So spontaneously you become that. A bishop came to see me the other day. He is a relation of my brother. He came to see me and he was rather adamant and a little angry when he came to see me because he thought, why am I trying to do this kind of thing? But when he saw the Sahaj Yogis, he said, I'm amazed, I've been giving lectures in the church for years together, but I could not achieve anything. How have you transformed these people? The drug addicts have suddenly become such good people that they have given up drugs. Alcoholics have given up alcohols. How is it without telling them anything? I said, everything is within them. As soon as the light comes, you can see everything. You know that this is on your way, this is against your progress, this is anti-light, you just give up. Only thing, you have to have the light within you. So, he himself was surprised at this, and then he said, really, that should be done, is to transform them. But I said, you do not transform them by giving them big sermons. Transform them by giving them the real second birth, real baptism. And I must say that Calvinists, of all the persons Calvinists in Geneva, have accepted me. And they think that this is the only way they can transform people. You will be amazed, the Calvinists, of all the persons who are such, I should say, one-sided people, they have accepted to see the result of everybody who is an open-minded person, who thinks for the good of others and not for money making and for his selfish ends. We'll see one day that this is the way it has to be. God has given us this power. We have got a spirit within us. We should try to awaken that, and we should accept it, not because I am doing it. You can do it also. So this thing happens to you with this chakra.